Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you fast skin whitening tips that whiten skin tone naturally and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin with very simple ingredients at home. You can prepare super effective remedy. It whiten the skin tone and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin with very simple ingredients. The first ingredient we need is 1 tomato, and we need to add a dry ingredients into the clean mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of rice flour, يعني كتشافة الكاتة, and if you don't have rice flour, get the rice and grind it fine into a powder and add 1 teaspoon. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of corn starch or corn flour. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder. You can add baking powder instead of baking soda in that remedy. And mix well all the dry ingredients like so. After you mixed and combined all the dry ingredients, take the tomato and cut it in half like so. Now dip in the tomato into the remedy like that and apply it on your skin. Apply it on your face like so. Keep massaging the skin for 5 minutes. Like so, my friends. Keep dipping in the tomato into the dry ingredients and apply it on your skin like so. Then leave it to dry out completely. After 1 hour of drying the ingredients out, you will notice a great result in your skin. It whitens the skin tone naturally and will get you bleached skin naturally without side effects, without any harsh ingredients, and it's going to whiten the skin for you naturally. Apply it on your face and see the result. It is super effective, my friends. This magical remedy whitens the skin tone naturally and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin from first use. It is super fast to whiten skin tone naturally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give the video big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.